view over there. That's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hello YouTube, it is Farmhand Mike, and I am out in a cornfield near Eaton, Ohio. That is Preble County, Ohio, and this farm is applying fungicide with a helicopter. I recently uploaded a video to my YouTube channel of a farmer spraying fungicide in tall corn with his Hagie front boom sprayer. However, aerial application has been around long before high clearance sprayers. Often you'll see this done with airplanes or the air tractor or the helicopter. I was able to coordinate with the crew that was doing this, so we did not interfere the drone with their helicopter. And actually these power lines helped me because I knew if I kept my drone close to these power lines, the helicopter's not going to fly into it. This is not a super long video as it was hard to get out in the field and get all the footage I wanted just because we didn't want any interference. This helicopter does have a 30-foot spray boom on it. He can cover a total of a 60-foot swath per pass though the way it fans out. He is spraying or flying with GPS so he knows where he sprayed, where he hasn't sprayed. And he can fly for about 7 minutes with spray before he has to fill up again. You'll see him come in and land and fill the sprayer. They can fill in about 2 minutes and he can be back up in the air spraying. So it's a pretty quick process. They can cover a lot of acres fast. And doing it this way, you don't risk running down any corn as you would with a self-propelled high clearance sprayer. If you have not seen the video I uploaded a week ago of the Hagie self-propelled sprayer doing this, I'll put the link to it at the end of this video so you can check it out. A question I asked in the last video, is it fungicide or fungicide? I guess I say it either way, and I hear people say it either way. Who's right, who's wrong? Comment below. I believe they told me the product tank on the helicopter is capable of carrying 40 gallons of total product. And it's just pretty cool the way he flies in here, lands on that pad, they fill him in about 2 minutes, and he's up in the air again spraying. Let's take a look inside the helicopter. And the easiest way to say no riders or no passengers is only having one seat in the helicopter. that's going to wrap up this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. They are pretty much done spraying fungicide on corn for the year. They do have a couple more weeks of soybean application to do, so maybe I can get back out here and get some footage of that. That may actually be a little easier to do since the soybeans are shorter. I can see what I'm doing better. Anyways, if you like this, hit that like button. Feel free to comment below. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please go down there and hit that subscribe button. And you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting my social media.